Hello students, these are the next three exercises from the chapter number 17, exercise 135, 136 and 137. Let's start with exercise number 135 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sir, we are sending you herewith a final notification that the quarterly premium on your insurance policy number 42691 is payable on 25th March, that is in 2 days. 2 previous notices have been sent to you. You will realize the danger of permitting the policy to lapse through neglecting to pay the premium in time. Serious financial loss may be the result of such neglect. Very truly yours. Dear sir, experience shows that very frequently a courteous note pointing out that an account is overdue results in prompt settlement. No doubt you have neglected to pay your bill through carelessness, but you will note that the account really should have been paid some time ago. We should appreciate receiving your remittance at the earliest possible moment. Your cooperation in this matter will be very much appreciated. Very truly yours. Gentlemen, we are now carrying a complete line of radios and pianos in our furniture department. Many different makes are represented in the instruments we are showing, and you will thus have a convenient opportunity of seeing and comparing the various makes. You may purchase any instrument you desire and you can pay for it at your convenience in easy installments. Cordially yours. Gentlemen, we sent you today the following telegram. Material received has wrong finish. Exchange for quality specified in order. We would appreciate your shipping the material of the correct quality and finish immediately. Yours truly. Gentlemen, we frequently have inquiries for outdoor furniture in our hardware department, and we believe that it would be worth showing a limited variety of garden chairs and tables, etc. Will you kindly ask your representative to call when he is in this neighborhood to give us a few suggestions? Sincerely yours. Next is exercise number 136 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. You may be interested in the following theory concerning the periodic appearance of depression in almost all branches of trade. Experience shows that the most probable cause of this common trouble is that prices have suddenly fallen after a period of speculation during which prices have been unusually high. The high prices occasioned during the period of speculation may have resulted from the expectation of a shortage in the supply of some particular commodity or some other similar cause. Eager buying helps to produce the expected rise in prices, and the first buyers seem to have the ability to make huge profits. Their success encourages others, and the speculative spirit spreads to all commodities. Borrowers use all their credit, bankers are willing to lend, and a general spirit of recklessness prevails. After a while, however, the upward trend of prices ceases. When those who hold stocks wish to realize, a reaction comes and prices begin to fall. They start falling so rapidly that everyone seems to be losing. Credit is obtained only with great difficulty. No one will part with ready money or postpone his claim to it. Merchants cannot meet their obligations, and many firms fail because they are unable to obtain the credit to which they are accustomed. This is what we call a commercial crisis. In extreme cases, there is added a financial panic as groundless as the former overconfidence, and money is borrowed for short periods at a ruinous rate of interest. Prices of commodities and stocks then fall as much below the usual level as they had risen above that level during the period of inflation. Next is exercise number 137 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. William J. Anderson, who is a professor at Acadia University, has recently compiled a book of quotations from Shakespeare. An examination of the book shows that we do not have to go to the theatre to hear the language of Shakespeare, for we use his terms and phrases constantly in our everyday speech. We are so familiar with the many conveniences which science has put within our reach that we do not realize or appreciate the debt we owe to science. Constant use and familiarity with the various time-saving and labor-saving devices tend to make us overlook their tremendous value. The contributions to our comfort and convenience by men of scientific training are continuous, and they have made the modern world a wonderful place to live in. The treasurer prepares a statement of the financial condition of the company annually. In the case of a public corporation, this statement is usually sent to the stockholders. A comparison with previous annual reports or balance sheets shows whether the year's trading has been more or less profitable. It is the practice of large insurance firms to invest the bulk of their funds in first mortgages on buildings, homes, and farms. It is considered that real estate is less liable to sudden changes in value, and therefore there is less danger of the companies having to suffer any financial loss through a sudden drop in the value of their holdings. Dear sir, will you please consider my application for the position of treasurer in your organization? I believe that I have the necessary qualifications and experience, and I enclose a summary of them for your information. If it is convenient, I shall appreciate an opportunity to discuss my application with you, and any questions you may desire to ask can be answered fully during the course of our interview. Yours respectfully. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइजेज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर नंबर 17. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.